Hey, how's it going? McKenna here, Realtor with the Plowman team, and welcome to our newest listing, 68 Teresa. There's so much to check out. This mature neighborhood has so much to offer. But let's stop talking about the neighborhood and let's check out the house. Welcome home. As soon as you walk in, you are welcomed with a beautiful grand staircase. There's so much to offer in this property. With 4 bedrooms and 3 baths, your whole family can live here comfortably. Now let's get on and check out the rest of the property. Before you go, there's a few things that I do want to mention. We're super close to amenities here. Fantastic schools in the neighborhood. We've got main level laundry. And can't you just picture yourself cozying up by the fire on a cozy winter night? Because I sure can. Now come on down and check out 68 Teresa. See you soon.